好啦，咁啊呢一段短片咧係關於咧我哋嘅 correctional errors 嘅 part two 嘅。咁呢個 part two 咧就係咧喺我哋用緊嗰本書啦，FA One Financial Accounting One 嗰本書嘅最後一課啊，Chapter 9嘅。咁咧我哋之前咧就已經咧就講咗我哋 correctional errors 嘅 part one 咁啊主要一啲嘅errors 嘅類別啦咁樣。咁咧無論係咩 errors 都好咧，咁其實咧喺 part one 入邊，咁都係講緊咧嗰個嘅錯誤咧係唔會係不會咧係令到個 trial balance 係唔巴嘅。咁咧我哋咧喺呢一課入邊part two 入邊咧，我哋就會講咧有一啲嘅 errors 咧係會令到我哋最終呢個 trial balance 係唔巴嘅。咁咧開始之前咧都同大家講一講啦咁今次呢段片咧就唔係用 iPad 拍嘅，咁所以咧可能咧你睇到咧嗰個嘅畫面咧可能同平時咧有啲唔同嘅咁啊，因為咧影嘅角度可能會有啲嘅傾斜，咁啊希望大家都真係留意翻啦咁樣。好啦，咁咧就言歸正傳啦，咁啊講翻呢一課書咁咧我哋頭先講咧主要我哋咧題目要求我哋咧就會開一個 journal 咧去處理翻嗰啲嘅錯誤更正嘅。好啦，咁啊第二個部分咧可能就要開翻個 suspense account 啦。咁咧 suspense account 咧係乜嘢嚟嘅咧咁同學仔，如果你哋咧係有我派俾你嘅 notes 咧，咁你可以咧 refer 翻呢個位置啦。咁 suspense account 咧其實係一個 temporary 嘅 account 啦，去 record the difference between the debit and credit total the trial balance。咁即係言下之意咧，就係話當我哋發現個 trial balance 唔巴嘅時候咧，我哋係會夾硬咧會塞一個嘅 account 落去嘅。咁嗰個 account 咧就叫 suspense account。咁咧愛嚟有咩用處咧？咁就係愛嚟咧，即係去頂住先，攝咗入去，咁就令到咧兩邊巴咗，然後我哋咧先至再去揾翻究竟咧邊一啲 account 咧係個數係錯咗嘅咁樣。咁咧我哋咧就下一個部分咧就講翻啦。究竟有啲乜嘢嘅 errors 咧會令到我哋咧trial balance 兩邊唔巴咧咁樣？好啦，咁啊第一個咧就叫做 casting error in a books of original entry。咁同學咧，如果你仲記得咩叫 books of original entry 咧，就即係嗰啲 purchase sales return inwards、return outwards 嗰啲嘅 journal 啦。咁我哋叫呢啲叫 books of original entry。OK， 原始分類帳簿。咁咧，我哋話咧，有陣時有個 casting error 咧，有時計錯數啊。咁咧，點解會計錯數咧？我哋用 notes 呢一度咧去做一個嘅例子啦。咁咧，佢喺個 sales journal 入邊咧，我哋就見到咧，Anna Hui 啦同埋 Tom Chan 咧，我哋喺12月咧都share 咗啲貨俾佢嘅。咁啊 Anna Hui 咧就3萬蚊，咁啊 Tom Chan 咧就24,400。咁即係話咧，如果我哋喺公司嘅帳簿入邊咧，同大家溫下書啦。咁我哋咧會有個叫 account receivable 嘅 ledger 啦。咁呢個 ledger 咧就係記錄咧有邊啲人咧係爭我哋公司錢嘅因為賒貨嘅緣故爭我哋公司錢。咁咧我哋有 Anna Hui 啦，同埋有呢個Tom Chan 嘅。咁咧佢哋咧分別咧就爭我哋咧3萬同埋呢一個24,400蚊嘅。咁啊呢度寫翻日期啦，12月8號啦，12月9號嘅。咁啊爭我哋咧兩筆錢。咁呢個咧都係我哋嘅 sales 嘅。咁咧呢度咧去到年尾啦，咁我哋咧就將佢咧入翻 balance carry forward 啦，3萬蚊。咁呢度咧我哋做嘅時候咧都係冇錯嘅喎。balance carry forward 呢度都冇錯嘅。好啦，咁但係啦，我哋咧睇翻呢個 sales journal 咧錯嘅位喺邊度咧？就係我哋將3萬再加24,400咧，呢個數本身應該係54,400噶嘛。咁但係咧而家咧你計到咧，其實咁我 zoom 近啲俾大家睇啦。呢一度呢個數咧而家係50,400嘅。咁你見到咧係爭咗成4,000蚊。咁呢個咧係純粹係計算上面嘅錯誤嚟嘅啫。咁所以咧，我哋呢個咧就會產生到第一種嘅 error 啦，第一種 error。好，咁咧就換句話說，即係我哋去到最撈尾咧，開一個 sales 嘅 account 咧，我就將呢個 sales journal 咧呢個50,400蚊咧就抄喺嚟呢度啦。 咁啊呢個可能叫 total credit sales 啦 for the year 咁樣。咁你咪睇到，咦？如果我咁樣去揾到個 sales 係50,400，而呢度咧嗱，如果我有個 trial balance as at 10月31號，咁我哋咧就見到咧喺呢個 account receivable 入邊咧，我哋有 Anna Hui 同埋 Tom Chan 嘅，咁佢哋咧個 balance 咧就係3萬，呢個咧就係24,400。咁但係你發現咧個 sales 咧係50,400嘅喎，咁你見到咪兩邊唔巴啊呢度？咁所以我哋 that's why 咧就頭先講啦，我哋如果唔巴嘅話咧，就要揀塞一個 suspense 入去啦，然後咧到最嬲尾就揾翻究竟呢4,000蚊究竟係去咗邊啊？得唔得？咁呢種咧係第一種 error，就係 casting error in a books of original entry。OK， 好啦，咁啊第二種嘅 errors 咧就係最簡單啦 ，single entry 啦。咁咧就係咧你只係入咗咧一個邊嘅啫。例如我哋呢個情況咧就係話，a cash payment of $1,680 was made to a creditor Kelly。我哋咧還錢俾阿 Kelly 咧，我哋公司嘅錢少咗入喺 credit side 啱咯。At the same time 應該我哋要 debit 翻佢呢個 account 喎 ，Kelly 呢個 account。我哋公司負債會減少，但係佢遺忘咗做呢個位嚇，咁所以咧我哋就會令到咧 credit side 係應該話 debit side 咧係少咗1,680蚊啦，得唔得 ？OK， 咁呢個咧就係嗰個 single entry 個 error 啦。好啦，仲有邊幾種嘅 error 咧？好啦，另外我哋睇一睇呢度咧就係呢度咧可能咧比較朦少少咁啊大家應該睇得到啦double entry of unequal amounts 咁呢度咧就係啦，你咧入啱晒喎啲 account 名 debit 同埋 credit， 咁但係咧你個銀碼上面唔 match 喎，一邊咧就入咗12,000蚊，一邊咧就係入咗1,200呢啲咧其實都好常見㗎，喺同學嘅功課入邊。點解啊？因為抄功課咯抄同學仔功課嘅時候咧，抄少個零咧咁啊呢啲都會間唔中我都會見到嘅咁咧另外啦，除咗呢個嘅 double entry or unequal amount 之外咧，我哋仲有一個叫 incorrect casting on an account 啦。呢個咧就係唔係 books of original entry 嚟嘅喎。頭先就係話我哋成個 books of original entry， 即係呢啲嘅 journal 入邊，我哋自己加數嘅時候加錯咗啦。咁但係啦，有陣時咧係我哋會發雞盲嘅喎，係就算開個 T account 咧，我哋呢度加咧5,000加6,000都夠膽死搭1萬嘅喎，係嘛？咁呢啲咧都係會令到我哋咧兩邊唔巴啦。點解咧？因為我喺個 trial balance 入邊咧 ，bank 同埋 purchase 咧個 debit side 咧我都入咗5,000。同埋6,000嘅，咁但係個 credit side 咧，我個 drawings 睇下先啊，呢個 sorry 啊，嗱呢度咧其實調翻轉咁講，因為咧喺個 drawings 咧，我用呢度去講啦嗱頭先講嘅情況咧就係我哋啦嘅 trial balance 入邊咧。其實我哋 bank 咧應該會呢度咧個 credit side 咧就會少咗5,000蚊，然後咧呢個 purchase 咧係少6,000嘅。嗱呢度咧要糾正翻一樣嘢先 ，purchase 唔會入喺 credit side 嘅，只不過咧可能我哋有個數，可能佢個總數係 let's say 可能係18,000蚊，咁呢度咧 bank 可能係20,000蚊咁樣。咁其實呢度咧減咗呢度嘅數咧，就應該會等於個 drawings 嗰筆錢噶嘛。咁但係你見到咧，呢度係爭咗1,000蚊嘅喎，爭咗1,000蚊嘅喎，係嘛？咁所以咧，呢啲情況咧，最終咧就會令到個 trial balance debit 同埋 credit 嗰度數咧唔 match 啊！而家係爭 debit side 係爭緊1,000蚊嘅 ，OK？ 咁所以咧就我哋嚟緊咧，我會俾一啲嘅書入邊嘅題目，咁然後咧去 講下啊，究竟如果出現呢啲咁嘅 errors 嘅時候，究竟我哋點樣入喺嗰個 journal 度啦？好，咁呢段片講到呢一度。